Hi everyone, welcome to the new course where we will be discussing lean management. You have probably heard about lean management concept before, but if you don't worry. We will explain everything about it in this course. By the end of this course, I assure you that you will be well versed in with all knowledge that you need about lean methodology. To start here, let us first understand what do we mean by lean methodology. Lean or lean management is a business approach for maximizing customer value while minimizing the waste. So here we are focusing on maximizing the benefit for our customer, giving them their demand, what they need, and also in the same time making it an efficient way to eliminate any waste. Lean is all about that, maximizing efficiency and reduce waste in all areas of your business. So remember here, lean isn't just about processes. We are not talking about the processes only, but here also we are considering our people, our staff, our employees, and this will lead us to a shared responsibility. So here, instead of holding the total control of our work processes and keeping the spotlight on it, lean management encourages a shared responsibility and, of course, shared leadership. And if we will go back from where this lean methodology originated, simply it comes from Toyota Production System, TPS, which was aiming to create a culture of continuous improvement in organizations. And since then, it has been adopted by various industries, including manufacturing, healthcare, software development, and government. TPS is a comprehensive production system which created by Toyota, that focus on optimizing efficiency, reducing waste, and continuously improving processes in order to achieve a high quality and lower production cost. And this will drive us to the pillars for lean management. We have three main pillars. So to truly understand lean, we need to grasp these three fundamental pillars. And I need you to imagine here that you have a product or service. In the lean philosophy, the primary focus here is delivering a value, as we mentioned, for the customer. But here, as we mentioned, it's not just any value. It must be as perceived by your customer, what they need. They will be the one deciding it has a value and they are willing to pay for it. This is the cornerstone for lean management. So here's the key question that we have is, what does the customer truly value? Once you know that, everything else falls into place. And this will take us to the second pillar. Eliminating waste is where lean management gets its reputation for efficiency, because lean is trying to eliminate this waste. So throughout our journey in this course, we will explore this concept in depth. What is waste? How to manage it? How to reduce it in our organization? Waste can be manifested in various forms. From lean perspective, we have excess inventory, overproduction, unnecessary transportation, defects, waiting time, and even underutilized employee skill, and so on. Lean will equip you with the tool that will help you to identify and systematically remove these non-value added activities. And don't worry about all these terms, we will explain in details later, making your processes leaner and meaner. Lastly, we have the third pillar of lean, which is continuous improvement. So lean isn't a one-time fix. It is a way of life. Always strive for a better processes and outcomes. Never settle for the status quo. This commitment to continuous improvement will ensure that your organization remain agile and adaptable in the ever-changing business landscape. Your organization is ready for any change in the market. Now that we have explored these three pillars of lean, let's deep dive into what makes lean methodology truly unique and distinctive approach. One of the most notable aspects of lean is that it places the customer at the forefront. We mentioned customer value. While efficiency is important, of course, for any business, Lean's uniqueness lies on its customer-centric approach. So we mentioned again and again the value from customer perspective. So instead of merely pursuing a maximum profit, Lean methodology ensures that customer value is the top priority at every stage of the process. It is not just about delivering product or service, it is about delivering what the customer truly value, truly need. Then we have employee satisfaction and well-being. Here, I need you to remember that Lean doesn't discard the well-being of employees either. It doesn't prioritize production efficiency over human needs. It acknowledges totally that processes causing a burnout or disharmony are a problematic one, as equipment defect. This commitment to a well-being of your workplace not only foster a positive workplace culture, but also will enhance productivity and innovation. Also, Lean encourages a leadership to adapt a holistic view of efficiency. It acknowledges that a harmonious work environment and employee satisfaction are integral to the overall success. Another standout feature of Lean is its adaptability. All of us know that. Lean recognizes that what is valued today might not hold the same value tomorrow. Markets change, technologies evolve, and customer preferences always shift over time. That's why Lean provides a framework for a consistent adaptation, continuous improvement. This agility will enable your business to stay ahead and responsive to evolving standards and demands. By embracing change rather than resisting it, Lean organizations are better equipped to thrive in an ever-changing business landscape. At the end of this session, I need you to understand and know that Lean methodology is a valuable tool for business looking to improve their efficiency and deliver a better value to their customers. Whether you are in a manufacturing, healthcare, or software development, Lean can benefit you. Lean has a benefits for your organization. So if you are aiming to streamline and create a more efficient operations, consider incorporating Lean practices in your organization. Now, I would love to hear from you, your thoughts. Do you have any question? Or would you like to share any experience related to Lean management? Please feel free to engage with us and write your thoughts in the comment. Thank you. I will see you in another session.